What's up, guys? Mr. LNC here. We're checking out the solar-powered power bank. I'm loving the design on this one. Incredible looking. And if we look here, even in that bright sunlight, you can see these LEDs, which are amazing and showing how much power is stored on the device. The green light means it's absorbing power from the sun. Right here we have some nice grips on the sides, and take a look at this waterproofed spot where all the USB ports are. Let's pop that open. So pop that open to reveal what's inside. We got two USB ports that are going to be putting out power, and various other ports there for your use to power and charge your devices. You can charge two devices at once if you want. We also got a ultra bright dual LED on the side here, some nice grip on the bottom, and a compass if you like adventuring, hiking, stuff like that. So loving that compass, absolutely awesome, very accurate, love it. Now if we press this power button right here, what happens? Well, let me show you. I'm going to hold that power button in a minute, and we got two ultra bright LED lights right here, looking good. So we got two ultra bright LEDs, and then if we hit that power button again, this turns into like an SOS blinking light. Perfect for like roadside assistance. If you're on the side of the road or trying to be safe, we'll press it again, and it's a quick blinking light. This typically means, hey, I need some help. We'll press it again, and it turns it off. Look at this, storing tons of power. This thing's good for multiple charges on your phone. Absolutely loving it. This is a sweet little device. It also includes a USB to micro USB cable and a clip. How cool is that? As well as this handle. Absolutely loving it, guys. Thanks again for checking that out with me. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.